Welcome to the Sentinel operating system video on the Sovereign Shift. We are architecting the uncorruptible enterprise by replacing legacy vulnerability with mathematical truth. We begin by addressing the crisis of legacy, characterized by architectural bankruptcy in corporate infrastructure. Legacy RDBMS, like Oracle and SAP, prioritize accessibility over integrity. They rely on administrative privilege, which allows for corruption without hardware-level audit trails. This results in the corruption tax, where billions are spent on reconciliation and compliance theater to compensate for inherently corruptible systems. In legacy systems, the superuser is the ultimate security flaw. Root access is a vulnerability, logs are easily manipulated, and trust becomes a single point of failure. If one person can modify history, the system has no truth, only a narrative. The reconciliation trap shows the staggering cost of checking data integrity. Sentinel OS liquidates this process debt by enforcing systemic integrity at the kernel level. The foundation of Sentinel is built on a hardened microkernel and memory safety. The Rust microkernel uses hardware-attested roots, bypassing the OS layer entirely. Truth is governed by math, not admin permissions. Built-in 100% memory-safe Rust. This eliminates 70% of traditional security vulnerabilities. Our zero-surface paradigm eliminates the Linux kernel, removing millions of lines of vulnerable C code. It uses Axum/Actix Core for sovereign app delivery and WASM sandboxing for hardware-isolated execution of external logic. Next, we explore the data revolution, moving from relational bloat to holographic precision. Our retrieval velocity analysis shows that the Sentinel hologram achieves constant time retrieval, regardless of scale, with no indexes or complex joins. The patternless object store pulverizes data into holographic vectors. This makes SQL injection, the #1 attack vector, impossible, and provides a 40% storage reduction by eliminating index bloat. Our transition strategy guarantees zero downtime migration via shadow switching. We use the Strangler Fig protocol, not rip and replace. We wrap the legacy core in a Sentinel shadow mirror. New writes divert to a parallel ledger, neutralizing the legacy beast while ensuring business continuity. The shadow switching mechanics involve an intercept layer proxying writes to the parallel ledger. The parallel ledger writes in holographic format. The legacy ring fence keeps Oracle or SAP as read-only archives. Ring fencing the beast neutralizes system debt by preventing new writes, downclocking hardware requirements. Legacy servers can be decommissioned as data reaches retention limits. This is heavy iron refraction, adapting SAP and Oracle to the sovereign era. For SAP's computal hunger, we use block-level mirroring to read HANA redo logs. This mirrors state in a high-speed ASICs cluster, dropping SAP CPU utilization by 90% and increasing data availability to sub-millisecond response. For Oracle, the data diode enforces physical isolation. A hardware data diode ensures information can only leave Oracle for the hologram, preventing any packets from traveling back to the Oracle listener. The new compliance model is built on dual witness verification and carbon grade audit. Dual witness verification guarantees systemic integrity. A transaction only exists if witnessed by two independent hardware signals. The audit trail is the primary ledger, making system corruption impossible. The carbon grade audit trails use the SciAP protocol, treating every financial transaction like a unique, immutable asset with a provable chain of custody. Regulators see a real-time compliance score. We are facilitating organizational liquidation by destroying process debt and administrative privilege. Liquidating process debt creates DBA redundancy as admins lose core write access. Audit automation provides regulators with a live auditor node. Agile deployment allows updates in the parallel ledger without impacting the legacy core. This is the death of root access, replacing privilege with mathematical proof. Once the hardware witnesses the state, not even the system's creator can alter history. Our TCO analysis shows a vertical drop in operational overhead in the first year post-refraction as compliance and storage debt are liquidated. Sentinel OS provides control and command through a unified global infrastructure view. Joint force convergence enables corporate and government synergy. The same hologram tracks financial trades and high-precision sensor arrays. This delivers total infrastructure sovereignty, independent of major vendor clouds. The implementation roadmap includes Phase 1, Intercept Gateway Proxy and Shadow Mirroring. Phase 2, refraction of legacy systems, and ring-fence isolation. Phase 3, sovereign workspace migration. Phase 4, full TCO neutrality and legacy decommissioning. Sentinel OS is the final OS upgrade, future-proofing your mission. It is secure, immutable, and sovereign. Sentinel OS provides uncorruptible truth through a sovereign workspace, high-fidelity audit, and hardware integrity. We are replacing the bankrupt and securing the mission.